everyone, let me introduce you to Lucas and his family. He said that, "Hi, I am Lucas." Now, he will introduce his family. He said that, "Let me introduce you to my family. This is my dad. He is my superhero. Meet my lovely mom. She is so caring and kind. Here's the baby, always ready to play. Hi, I am Lucas." Now, it's a family turn to say about themselves. I am the dad and I love exploring new things with Lucas. I am the mom and I love baking yummy treats. And he is Lucas. He has a perfect family and he was so lucky. Do you also think what I think? That's my family on vacation. Let's listen to what his family say. I am the mom and I make delicious cookies. I am the dad and I love playing with Lucas and his friends. Wow, his family was so good. Now it's time to play with Lucas. Are you ready to see? Lucas introduced his friends. I am so excited to see them. Hi, let's meet my amazing friends. It's time to see his amazing friends. Here's Lily. She always looks so sparkly and bright. This is my friend Ruby. She likes to play with dolls. This is... Wait! Where did Brody go? Oh! Dear, this is my friend Brody. I am Ruby. Dancing makes me super happy. I am Lily. I love dressing up and looking fabulous. I am Brody, ready to laugh and play with me. Hi, I am Lucas. That was a fun day at the beach. Wow, Lucas has amazing friends. I think you have also amazing friends. Thank you for watching this video.